Welcome to Hunt, Texas, where rugged hill country beauty meets laid-back charm. Nestled along the crystal-clear waters of the Guadalupe River, Hunt and its neighboring towns, Ingram and Kerrville, offer the perfect mix of outdoor adventure, local flavor, and artistic soul. I'm Carrie, and in this travel guide, I'm going to take you through all the best places to explore, eat, and unwind, all in this magical corner of Texas. Whether you're hiking trails, enjoying comfort food with a view, or looking for hidden galleries and roadside gems, this area has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Tucked away in the scenic Texas Hill Country, Stonehenge 2 in Ingram, Texas, is an offbeat art installation that adds a fun twist to ancient history. It was crafted in 1989, and it's a 90% scale homage to England's iconic Stonehenge. It was made by two neighbors, and it's made from wire mesh, plaster, and a dash of Texan creativity. This quirky roadside gem is a complete Stonehenge replica, as well as including a few towering Easter Island heads. And it feels unexpected and oddly magical here in the middle of small town Texas. It's free to visit from dawn till dusk, and you can find it on the campus of the Hill Country Arts Foundation. Whether you're into art, travel curiosities, or just looking for a memorable pit stop, Stonehenge 2 is worth the detour. Texas Hill Country wineries offer a delightful blend of rustic charm and refined flavor, set against a backdrop of rolling hills, wildflowers, and big Texas skies. With over 50 wineries dotting the region, all offering everything from bold reds to crisp whites, and many offering 100% Texan-grown grapes. Perched atop the scenic Schreiner University, Kerrville Hills Winery in Kerrville offers the quintessential Texas Hill Country wine tasting experience. This boutique winery is led by award-winning winemaker John Rivenberg, who is credited for bringing Tannat to Texas, which is where the word tannin comes from. And it's known for crafting their wines from 100% Texan-grown grapes. You'll enjoy your tastings here in this historic 1905 Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired ranch house. And it's a really beautiful experience just enjoying your wine tasting here in this gorgeous scenery and a very laid-back atmosphere. The Guadalupe River is one of Texas's most beloved natural escapes. It runs through limestone cliffs, towering cypress trees, and charming hill country towns. With its clear, spring-fed waters, it is a go-to destination for swimming, tubing, kayaking, boating, fishing, and so much more. Whether you're floating lazily down the stream or enjoying a peaceful picnic along its shady banks, this is a must-visit spot for nature lovers and weekend wanderers. Ingram Lake and Dam offers a delightful escape into the heart of the Texas Hill Country. It's a beautiful mix of natural beauty and a touch of adventure. You have the dam here that becomes slick with a natural layer of algae that turns it into a fun water slide during the summer months. Next to the dam, you have Ingram Lake here, which is a great spot for fishing, sailing, swimming, or just relaxing by the serene waters. Parking is right across the highway from the dam and the lake, and whether you're looking for a playful slide down the dam or a relaxing afternoon by the lake, this is a must-visit destination for all. The Museum of Western Art in Kerrville offers an immersive journey into the heart of the American West. The museum features a variety of paintings, sculptures, and artifacts that celebrate cowboy culture, Native American history, and frontier life. You can explore interactive exhibits like the Journey West Children's Gallery, a 6,000-volume research library, and rotating exhibitions featuring historical and contemporary Western artists. With its blend of art, history, and interactive experiences, this museum is a must-visit for those seeking to connect with the enduring legacy of the American West. Kerrville Shriner Park in Kerrville, Texas is a beautiful 517-acre park that's nestled along the scenic Guadalupe River in the beautiful Texas Hill Country. This park features 13 miles of hiking and biking trails, and it ranges from more scenic, easier paths to beautiful but strenuous hiking routes that will end in gorgeous panoramic views. The park features abundant wildlife, including deer, wild turkeys, and a variety of bird species. And for water lovers, you have the river, which is great for swimming, boating, and fishing. And you can rent all your equipment on site. Stepping into historic Old Ingram Loop feels like stepping back into the late 19th century. This charming quarter-mile stretch was once a bustling stagecoach stop, and now it's a variety of vintage buildings that have been repurposed into unique shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes. You'll stroll down the wooden boardwalks, all while looking for unique treasures like handcrafted jewelry, local artwork, and all sorts of antiques, all while enjoying the area's beautiful history with those historical markers and original architecture all around you. Old Ingram Loop offers a captivating glimpse into Texas history. Now make sure to come on a weekday or Saturday, as most of the shops do tend to be closed on Sundays. The food scene in Hunt and the surrounding hill country offers a delicious mix of rustic charm and bold Texan flavor. Whether you're craving comfort food or a little more culinary creativity, Hill Country serves up memorable meals in picturesque settings. Here are a few places we recommend dining at during your stay. Copper Pot in Ingram is a beloved family-run cafe known for its made-from-scratch comfort food and warm, welcoming atmosphere. It offers a menu that blends Mexican and American dishes, all crafted with fresh, quality ingredients. We ordered the Smash Burger, the Cattleman's Benedict, the migas, which were the best migas I'd ever had, and a blueberry dish that was delicious. This was a family-owned restaurant, and we were served by Norma Jean, who is actually the woman who owns it, and her husband is the cook. The migas tacos were delicious with the salsa, and we loved the coffee where they had pre-frothed the creamer, making it almost like a latte. The Eggs Benedict was also delicious, and the blueberry pancake was so fluffy. The Hunter House Cafe in Ingram, Texas is a cherished local spot known for its hearty American comfort food and welcoming atmosphere. This cozy cafe offers a menu featuring beloved dishes like chicken fried steak with white gravy, huevos rancheros, and their signature biscuits and gravy. We did try the Hunter House omelet, and it was full of flavor with sausage, ham, veggies, and cheese, as well as we tried the over medium egg. It was perfectly runny, and there's stuffed French toast, which we got a half order of, and that was perfect because it was rich and filling and so good. Billie Jean's restaurant in Kerrville, Texas is a cherished local favorite renowned for its warm hospitality, delicious comfort food, and scenic views of the Guadalupe River. This family-owned eatery has been voted best all-around food in Kerrville for over a decade and is especially celebrated for its award-winning chicken fried steak. The menu features a variety of American classics, including burgers, seafood, salads, and Tex-Mex favorites, all served in generous portions at reasonable prices. We tried the tater kegs, and they were so creamy and filling. And then I enjoyed the chickadee sandwich, which was a chicken sandwich with a delicious jack cheese on a jalapeno bun. I also enjoyed the swirl sangria. It was a frozen drink, super tasty. And then for dessert, we tried the blackberry cobbler, which was perfect, just so good for the end of our meal. 1011 Bistro in Kerrville offers a refined dining experience with a picturesque view of the Guadalupe River. The restaurant features a diverse menu blending French, American, and Italian cuisines, including dishes like filet mignon, duck breast with root beer glaze, and cedar planked salmon. 1011 Bistro stands out as a premier dining destination in the Texas Hill Country. For a starter, we enjoyed the mozzarella burrata, which was this gooey, delicious mozzarella cheese on bruschetta. It was so good. And then I enjoyed the seafood pasta, which was great with mussels, shrimp, and a really tasty sauce. We also tried the sirloin, the filet mignon, cooked to perfection. Do not skip the dessert at this restaurant. We tried the whiskey cake, which was a moist, light cake with a caramel sauce that was amazing. And then this hazelnut tart that was really, really rich and just so, so good. Pint and Plow Brewing Company in Kerrville is a vibrant community hub that seamlessly blends craft beer, fresh food, and a welcoming atmosphere. This locally owned brew pub offers house-made beers like the off-season Amber and Micropolis Black Lager, which pair perfectly with their artisanal pizzas and small plates. Pint and Plow also serves organic coffee and espresso. With its inviting ambiance, friendly staff, and commitment to quality, Pint and Plow Brewing Company is a must-visit destination in the Texas Hill Country. We ordered the Harvest House Pizza, which was a plentiful portion. We also tried the street tacos. We really enjoyed the experience there. There was live music playing. It was such a fun environment, and the staff were super helpful and welcoming. Thanks for joining me on this Wander adventure. We can't wait to welcome you. Be sure to reach out to our Wander concierge anytime if you need any help or recommendations. And be sure to tag us in your photos and videos at Wander so we can see all the fun you're having. Enjoy your trip, and we'll see you soon.